Intrepid is back at CES 2026. It's our 10th year showcasing at the world's largest technology show. We're excited to share our latest and greatest tools live from Las Vegas.
Hi guys, I'm Jackie with Intrepid Control Systems. We're live here at CES 2026 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. This is James, our engineer, and he is going to introduce our new protocol.
Oh, thank you, Jackie.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm more than happy to give you a brief introduction of this RCP demo here. RCP is Remote Control Protocol. That is not very new, but RCP over Automotive Ethernet, that is something very new. In this demo, we use several Intrepid control systems tools, Comet 3 and WILi. These tools, together with a development board from Microchip here. So we have 3 sensors hooked up to this development board. One is a proximity sensor, see? Yeah, you can see the responses. The other 2 are LED sensors here. These sensors are talking in I2C to this WILi. WILi is also a good product from Intrepid. It has a lot of functions, but here in this demo, it's converting the I2C traffic to KFD. The KFD traffic talks to Comet 3. Comet 3 is also a very good product. It contains 2 KFD channels together with 6 10BASE-T1S channels. 6 10BASE-T1S channels. That's a very good product. And then Comet 3 is connecting to Vehicle Spy on a laptop. So Vehicle Spy is a well-known product in this industry. It's a multifunctional. If we can see all the traffic we are monitoring right now. So Vehicle Spy is very functional, multifunctional. Here in this demo, we just design a panel showing the connection of this demo. So remote control protocol. Let's see what we are controlling. We can move our cursor here to click red. Then we can see the LED sensors are showing in red. We change to other colors, green,
Ooh,
yellow,
very cool.
blue, and white. So that's remote control protocol. The most important part is this traffic is through 10BASE-T1S. That's an Automotive Ethernet protocol. That's something new we talked about just now. One advantage of RCP is that it's very fast. RCP is a server client-based module. So the controller sends out some commands in very small packets. So it's fast to the endpoint ECUs on the vehicle. So then these commands are executed immediately by the endpoints. So it's fast, low latency. Actually, the endpoints can all have very little MCUs because they are the client of RCP server. You can imagine that with a lot of MCUs saved from the vehicle, we actually save a lot of cost. Now also this is Automotive Ethernet. Automotive Ethernet physically is one twisted pair of cables. The connection is easier, the weight is lighter, it's more efficient. RCP remote control system is helping the vehicle industry to move to zonal architecture. Why? Because if everything, let's imagine that everything, all traffic is Ethernet, that's easier for the implementation of zonal architecture. Okay, that's the brief introduction of this demo. If you have interest in any of our products, please contact Intrepid Control Systems. Thank you very much.
Awesome, great job. Thank you, James. To learn more about this, you can go to intrepidcs.com. If you are at the CES 2026, come see us at booth 3767.